you guys. Hope everyone is enjoying their Wednesday afternoon. I just had to come on and shoot this short video. My daughter made nacho cheese dip. I think it's on the 4th video that she did. And she made spaghetti today, and she put ground beef in it, which I don't eat ground beef. So she had made another nacho cheese dip, and she was like, Mom, I got some spaghetti in there. And I was like, wow. I said, you know something? I might try it with the nacho cheese dip. You guys, let me tell you, it is freaking awesome. You guys have to try this. So if you make a nacho cheese dip and you have some left over, mix it with some thin cooked spaghettis, and I promise you, you'll come back and tell me it is awesome. If you need the recipe to the nacho cheese dip, it's the 4th video, and it's called nacho cheese dip. You just take that, mix it with some cooked thin spaghetti, mix it up. Wow, it's awesome. But until the next time, I had to come on and share it because it was a pleasant surprise for me. You guys stay connected. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you guys real soon. Thank you.